All right, so before the new iPhones come in, I have received my MagSafe Charger as well as the MagSafe Clear Case, but I really just want to see the build quality and what you get inside these packages. So let's see what's inside MagSafe. Pulling off the tab here. I'm also curious how fat this charger is. Do we get any stickers? No stickers, so a little bit of a bummer. As you can see here, designed by Apple in California. And I just realized they don't give you a power adapter. Apple. How am I supposed to charge my phone? So I have to go buy a power adapter with this thing. Unbelievable. This does feel really nice though, I'm not gonna lie. How does it smell? Smells like when you open up a freezer at a grocery store. What even is this? This feels good though. So let me go get an adapter because Apple is being stingy this year. All right, so I'm curious to see if my iPhone 10 can charge with this because this is for older devices as well. So here we go. Nice, so it does work with older devices, so that's nice to see. Perfect, charges, that's great. Oh, so does it do a little snap? It's there. Maybe that's just the suction of the glass and the charger adapter. Okay, now what I want to see, I know this isn't going to work, but I'm going to put the clear case on top of this and see if it actually has some type of magnetism to it. Hopefully I don't need the iPhone 12 for that, so let's see, any stickers? Doesn't smell like anything. So as you can see, it's designed by Apple in California, but assembled in China. Has this nice inner magnet here. A lot of branding on the inside. So, I mean, this phone's not gonna fit, but okay, that is really strong. Wait, my phone is, Wait, let me take this out. Okay, that's just my phone somehow being held in by this case, but. So let's try this again without my phone. So, just like that. I mean, the magnet is strong, but it's not that strong. You know, it's MagSafe at the end of the day. I feel like for the large demographic of people buying the iPhone 12, I don't know if this is really a necessity. And the fact that you have to buy a power adapter on top of that to have the MagSafe charger work, not really buying it. But I mean, if this is the size of the iPhone 12, this is a big boy. Going back to MagSafe with this charger, I think it's cool, but the one problem I have already that I'm thinking about, maybe this will be fixed when I get the iPhone 12 in hand, is if I want to, you know, grab my phone, do I just grab it and have this thing drop? Because that doesn't seem like the best design choice. Because I feel like it'd be pretty annoying for me to have to like hold down on the cable and then lift my phone up to have it get off the charger. What? I just don't understand this. If I want to pick up my phone, how does it know? I have to hold the cable. That just seems so annoying. Why? Why? Who asked for this? Honestly, who? I want to know. I want to know who was in the meeting and was like, you know what? MagSafe on the iPhone. Not on our MacBooks, but on the iPhone. You know, there's no upright position with this. I mean, you can try and finagle it to be like that, but I'm not that impressed with MagSafe. Maybe the wallet on the back seems cool. I think what's more interesting is the magnets within the iPhone 12. This accessory, how much did I pay for this? I think this was like $70 altogether. Okay, so this was $50. My God. And this was $40. So we're at $90. Oh my God. How much is the power adapter? $20. So for $110 to get all of this, just to charge your phone and I guess protect it to a certain degree. But why isn't this included? Let me see if it charges my Apple Watch real quick. If it does, then I'll be impressed. Nope, doesn't even charge the Apple Watch. Yikes, man, this is it's a disappointing product, Apple. MagSafe. I can only imagine what this stuff would cost overseas. Go pick yourself up an Anchor wireless charger. They have plenty. Honestly, there's plenty of wireless chargers out there. Okay, I might be speaking too soon because iPhone 12 has magnets, but I don't think that's gonna save this from making it worth it. Oh my God, Apple, what are you thinking? Maybe I just can't see the vision. Maybe I'm just too dumb to understand what Apple's trying to revolutionize. If I see millions of MagSafe accessories sold worldwide, I mean, I'm not surprised. It doesn't even matter. They're gonna sell them no matter what, but I just don't understand. I really don't. This design itself just seems flawed. Maybe the phone has to be in here, but why would anyone want to put this down, want to pick it up? What? Like, look at that. How does this make sense from a design standpoint? I think I need the phone in here, but this is just a weird product to me, honestly. Who asked for this? I mean, it does look really well built, and I'm glad it works with older iPhones and probably other wireless charging devices, but at this point, I feel like people are just paying for the design by Apple in California. That has to be what people are paying for, right? There's no way people are actually going out and saying, hey, I need a wireless charger, I'm not on a budget, and I want to get Apple only. I mean, hey, this is part of the Apple ecosystem. The one MagSafe product I'm interested in, the only one, is the wallet that snaps back onto the phone. That one seems like the only one that is practical. But this, like I said, maybe I just need the phone. Who knows? I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I am done. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please make sure to subscribe, leave a like if you did, and as always, guys, much love. What?